At WebCab, each project begins with a structured and dynamic kickoff meeting. Surrounded by our specialists, your automation consultant, and our software integrator, we review the project objectives and lay the foundations for close collaboration. Nothing is left to chance. Our highly qualified team works with you to establish a precise plan, ensuring personalized support. Every step and every detail is meticulously planned to ensure the success of your integration. We understand how important it is for your production to remain uninterrupted, which is why most of the configuration is done remotely by our team. Our technology seamlessly integrates with your existing processes, facilitating a smooth transition to increased productivity. Our integration philosophy is to make you fully autonomous. Training is thus spread over several short sessions, allowing you to thoroughly assimilate and capitalize on your learning. Our support does not end with the integration phase. Our team will continue to be by your side, answering your questions and guiding you in your automation plan. At WebCab, our approach is to have a thorough understanding of your needs, implement our solutions without slowing down your operations, train and support you to enable you to fully leverage the potential of your factory. Ready to automate your production process? Get in touch with us today and let us lead you to superior productivity.